The potter formed the clay into another pot, shaping it as seemed best to him. Jeremiah 18:4.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Yielded and Still was written by Kenneth Peterson and read by Wes Ward.
Jeremiah chapter 18, verses 1 through 6. This is the word that came to Jeremiah from the Lord. Go down to the potter's house, and there I will give you my message. So I went down to the potter's house, and I saw him working at the wheel. But the pot he was shaping from the clay was marred in his hands. So the potter formed it into another pot, shaping it as seemed best to him. Then the word of the Lord came to me. He said, Can I not do with you, Israel, as this potter does, declares the Lord? Like clay in the hand of the potter, so are you in my hand, Israel. Yielded and Still, written by Kenneth Peterson. Not much is known about Adelaide Pollard, and that's sort of the point. She was a humble servant of God who wanted no recognition for herself. At the age of 40, she felt a strong calling to be a missionary to Africa, but that door was closed to her, leaving her greatly discouraged. Yet Adelaide was reminded of a verse in Jeremiah chapter 18, like clay in the hand of the potter, so are you in my hand. Later, she penned a hymn with these lyrics, Thou art the potter, I am the clay. The image in Jeremiah has much to speak into our lives today. The pot he was shaping from the clay was marred in his hand, so the potter formed it into another pot, shaping it as seemed best to him. This is a picture of how God reshapes us into his better purpose. Whatever we think we should do and be, God may have another shape for our lives. Verse 6 reads, Like clay in the hand of the potter, so are you in my hand. Eventually, Adelaide did go to Africa, but it may be that God's shape for her life had more to do with other things, perhaps writing that hymn, Have Thine Own Way, which has inspired millions in the years since. When we feel on hold in what we want to do, we might think about how God is shaping us in the meantime. We do well to let God have his own way and wait, yielded and still for his greater purpose. Let's pray. Dear God, you truly are the master potter, and when our plans stall or doors close, help us trust that your hands are still forming us for your good purpose. Keep us yielded and patient as you shape our lives into what best reflects your will for our lives. Thank you, Lord. We love you. And it's in Jesus' name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How do you feel discouraged in your life goals today? How might you let God have his way with your life?
Akangku makmalungi rahil deliasay, en vikta potokol ava kora beot tarandir, el mga kanggum, rendir en dia kangarangal langar kanggum, el kire lahil dertit. E dia kalodengay, akangkum amal beot tarngudel ngiliasay, el beot telkal, en ving mal kloar li rahil deraad, el bloon mga kanggum. Ay kakida ikel bebir ikel klunyole la kanggum, alonga ava kanggum el kire lahil derengi. Makot akang gumat toroba te elela seer ra al selangurd el domodongor mo arterioclerosis sel tingt al selangurd ra laog et kyak mal maknit tek mal kengaol lel tingt al selangurd ra laog raad et kya ulen sab el heart attack mal uben stroke. Ongerul klungyo lela kanggum, akangkum amang gikadet te elela av, el mga kanggum, el mosme ras arela high blood. Malube others may high blood along a kangkum in sabiel nga high blood ang ilmoryo. Lakam high blood oreng sa tialuloklat ke ebobl oil mga kangkum. Ngidi lakal marol o dimem. Nga luulaw ngil heldara ospitar maklaat dia kalungil do ngam aro lultimok arangal ka tingal ka ikado magsautin mga baral molok ngakla te lela maklol se el mortid aloran mo maklol at ong edel kunyolela kangkum akangkum amanggirete te lela at el mom ituuta iwsela badangel ang keltial se era osteoporosis o mga lela kangkum asabiel mo ko gilsmisi ay iwsela badangela aruba ka mamaas el mga kangkum mangivil at ruba ka marmaas se loral mo maklol at maiwsir mang marahin mo ituut mo mga lela kangkum amo sabiel ngo sutriar armas marubak marmaktol at marangal ka en mo misisi ay iwsela batangir aw lubong kung yolela kangkum o mga lela kangkum manggikadet te lela at en mo sme el sukal akangkum akar el kal akangkum akar el kal el magtekta adal mga kangkum en sabiel lang aringi arlirahel daringi rakla ataringi kangkum akorabiot tarngudringil kal ninding malungir rahel ebiot tadorurringi makot akangkum asabiel lodoy maluben salad lobang kelangi dirkansume maluben meat malubeng malga malubeng ngikele direkal sabemel malti lobang kelamalga maporga mabif direk kangkumak malungi lobang kelawas omoru lawas al malga malubeng ngikel malubeng mit boblo oil dakala kangkum a odimiu aw lobong la akangkumak malungi lobang kelastek kangkum stek ak malungil al sel erul 2 weeks mo or sila tal Sunday, ekuk mo nga kangkum steak, yung malungir rahel derkaw. Pablo oil mga kangkum, mare edaralel, ek malungir rahel velyasay, mangkorabiot tar nguteringir kal, ek malkloarali rahel dergid. Katmal masaul, ablor sabi emlo reng setiar gade blolot krat, elkirelak nung yolela, o mga lela kangkum.
Ay kaya kita mo talalayang tumayol, tumatabelbelar, lalo ko tulurior, lui mewi del kapsingin ang iwalboil malmutro ang imluriol mapadamas ratol enggang retol ilal tutar am lang mo ito ko matalbong na 3 ilklog mo 4 feet mo klogal at talyal sales am lang mo italo yung erulbong na iwal klog mo 6.8 feet lamutal mo gang retol akapsingin am lang mo ito ko yung erulbong na 3 ilklog mo 3.4 feet ang erul klodol am mo rin ang bututar am lang mo ito ko yung erulbong na iwal klog mo 7.1 feet ang tasil sa kapsangay am lang mo itatro ilbong elon maklog ang tasil sa tutrak lugo am lang mo ito ko am itilbong na imaklog ako tamar pa basklal dal talsil sa modul okay may degrees tuwi mataboy mang meltaboy ra ututar am lang mo italo may ilbong na maklog elal talsil sa mumsin dal may lasil sa mo ang kalalo ilwaset dal tel talul Trule la tanga di lusungos lumurtra elol men modula trume with mara talchika. Tabar ka almo lang ratang al edel sa kamakal didyul. At sa modula di lusungos ang rewang al murahim sa kamakal didyul. Ang apsingay mo ikapal ka madalayang at mo magkala truil basen tal tel la tal karelul. Trule la
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. In response to the concerns raised, the Republic is voluntarily extending the deadlines under this request for proposals for services to serve as the ship administrator for the Republic of Palau's Open Ship Registry. Although the original schedule complied with the applicable procurement requirements, this extension is being made in good faith to provide additional time for interested offerers to prepare and submit their proposals and to encourage broader participation in the procurement process. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of the Republic of Palau is soliciting and accepting proposals from qualified offerers to serve as the ship administrator for the Republic of Palau's Open Ship Registry. The services requested will be fully funded by local government funds and will be awarded through a competitive negotiated contract. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are now available on the Government of the Republic of Palau's website, www.palau.gov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources via email to hr@palaugov.org. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-22. Bidding period extended April 3rd, 2026 through May 4th, 2026. Inquiries due date extended April 21st, 2026. Responses extended April 23rd, 2026. Expression of interest extended April 27th, 2026. Proposals opening May 6th, 2026. Anticipated contract award June 5th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyok. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. Invitation for bids, April 20th, 2026. The public is hereby informed that the Palau Visitors Authority will be soliciting sealed bids from interested buyers for the following: 2006 Toyota Light Ace 2-door flatbed silver, VIN number KM70-1004534, mileage 115,887 kilometers. Opening bid will start at $500. Purchase will be as is and where is. Bidding period will be April 20th, 2026 to May 4th, 2026. Opening date will commence May 5th, 2026. For more information regarding this notice, please contact Schechter Hector, Procurement Officer at Palau Visitors Authority at telephone 488-2793, 488-1930, or email schechter@pristine.pw.
Subdra Maldin Maldadu. Tia subdra Maldin Maldadu Ardai Tril Cherom Tumgil, Lultobdring Mang Bosses Ludong, Almora Adra Kablir Armadra Malgayo, Maigele del Trungal Ngania Masbang, Iblai Maulado, Elmum La Motrok La Maldilel Maldadu, Ringaruba and Mornir on Aim Luriol, Gotokap Singil on Aim Buil. Tia Sanga di Mornira Funeral Home Ngaira Tutau, Emutov del Mocleur Ablil Ngarulimang Mumdakla. Marbekla the Mamma Ramalgayok, Morior, Mabekl Belur Belau, Michael Belau, Aspad Leontial, Mame the Alim the Rangiseu, Ertial Ramaldin Maldadu, Sai Nangimang Moses Ludong. Atokobet el Sudra Ramaldilel Maldadu Ardrai Tril Cherom Tumgil, and Mornir on Aim Lurior May 1, 2026. Mamidols Moses Ludong Am Subdra Obgul, Rower Belau Lorenzo Eduardo, Mardalal Marangal Ragablir or Agiblair Ngaura, Mamame the Alim the Rangiseu Tel Sang. Amidul sa diri kan sub don gitar salil ngara ibis el kloba karang arbalau mabol sobir me imda kaswes da alim gal chero mago to klol ngalgel adilina balailes mamla madal masami tamangil longeru klots al ngalgel aurig matamangil ya tamangil atarar ngalgel ngale el moses em le erbalau ngaura tel sang adi morngira funeral home ngara irai ratu tol sils em utob del moraklo abril ngara ulimang em umdakla O si sul subra kamaldil me aldadu rarda itril chirom tumngil lo top dengya mid ols Moses aludong mro obak Andres wirbelau me ebil inaria akitaya maradal lakabli na oliora belu rangar belau rangayaw mo amidu ols el Moses akmalolngit ramiar adal me indali me kangiseu de satyalo lubong el sungulang galkoto klor ngal gela masamit tamngil el mga maldi ra ko tolkap singilo ngay malbuil el namotrok la kamaldil el maldadu rangarubak el morngiro ngay mluriol ko tolkap singilo ngay malbuil tial sanga di morngira funeral home ngaraira era tutor tial silse utov del moklor ablir ulimang umdakla akmalon gitragal obak mamolgoira led marngalget mgi maalim mongodri achirom raulimang silse sai na mid uls Moses ludong tia sudrol todnya obak Andres wirbelau maebil inaria agitaya almor adri rabaldab orior meoldab rasarel angalgila masamit tamangil el cherom tamangil المسمير ما بدنا نلعب عمر كم ترى كلال مطوب Friday May 1st 2026 إمام الديرة funeral home المسؤول بتوب المرابلين غرار دليرول سيغان إمور الغول بابل داو باقي مسوب درانيرو إيرم ساميو يوم مسان رمضاء البس باستور بيلي كوارتي ما إبل مسوب در أذات مرنال جميم دعين سو أوريورا جم مسوب در أذل بارغ سوال مريمو دوميني غانورياكلا مسوب در أذات مرنال غرات متباب جميم دعين سو Agidre sodra ya adra be Ignatius ngirmeril madiliad chuting ngirmeril mosudra ngal ge mem ngaing seu agidre sodra kalt ngur be udui mat ngsi krisong saito mosudra adad marngal gat amding mem ngaing seu pelilio agidre sodra el chas shalom et pisong mau elbil mosudra adad marngal gortel bul ngayura gem sodra werbelau madil belau miduls Moses uludong mosudra adad marngal ge mem ngaing seu tirgamdil mal dadur ngal targit agidre sodra dirabu mau erbu changilaililda omigbil bebian termete rangalgela Florencio Esteban rangalgela Antonio Moses rangalgela Martin Werbelau rangalgela Edomo masamit tamangil idao Julio Kasuo mosudra adad marngal gemin ngangiseur terelbula agidre sodra ader Moses tal obak Argasius Yamada Mike Aulerio ma rogul ngal grasi silang agidre sodra ki con Moses talebil film tamangil dirau el Royce Helen Graidong lidia ko mangay marangal gelang adigis Moses rangarmen gastro marangal gila gracia arurang na ithel arurang mosubra atat marangal gemen da kaing seu agidir lolngit rangal gila ko tep sabrang rasanaye Isabela Yusim Rui Ben Thomas Marvin Raymond marangal giulul dimok rangal gila orak agi amar trigil mam modigal mdong clear lang klamotela subda ul mung somam lolngit tertir mobile sabir emeim kasawes eta kaing seu arbak al Dios lolmol num kal tanga tergidro guy sai na obak Andres werbelau tia subdra kamaldi lo top dringar adwe Silverius Pesong robulgul Felix Osile ginadrebe sabobul tadab marurti Feliciano Watanabe al morarugul ad marangal grablara ibur ngesar al gire la kamaldi la chirom temngil la motrok la kamaldi el mogotlap singil ong emil buila May 1st 2026 long em lorior motob dal morigelesia aidrungul Jesus emoringina misang arsel tutau Auriuleng Mara Santos por ha funeral home ngangat kibraira mga maldin mo yata swelba motob del moklor ablir ngarauli mangarar de mumdakla tiang adi mo bangelo mga dalblal smaldadu ayol ngitra bekla damam meim da alim da ngi serter albulo magim subdra wadal adi sikli ngamar ngalgel meliksis katkel marngalgel filom tamangil paklay chilton rangla sada ko madris ebiliad mitogoskiwo mosubdra ngalga Hanabul tadab, Kiomishida, Chuli Saburo, Mihaina Erung Marnalgel, Lorenza Ise Malili Madris, Berry Ogabe, Fuanang Omley, Yuriat Ur, Prima Oib, Geliar da Cladic Marbebiringi, Paul Gitalong, Obak Caleb Tuley, April Watanabe Marbebiringi, Howard Mawilan Casey, Kerwin Mabrain Isida, Caleb Uduy Jr., Nidos at Marukul Smul, Dexter Tamgil Machani Gintaro. Niwala gim sudra ngalgila tokosang bultataw malgayo kang spadala ngira isaw basiano gitalong maematukur tinaliyep mosudra adat marangal karter albul agidre kam sudra ngirmang Moses ludong ngisara gim sudra trungal kramler adba 8 milol ayra gim sudra ubad kirungil mis marangal gila rol misidoy marangal gila makasar sikyang ndire kaspadala David Tarimel agidre kam sudra heiden garradal marbebiringi marangal gila Collins mimong ngatmang spadala chani tudong mosudra adat at pangeng spadala rangal gelam ler adwe osilek kom malmsulang yaro bakal Dios long kaltang tergid saen adwe Silverius Besong o si siulsub rangal maldira cherom tamngila lotto dringat at posmulwat tale Misa Antonio Bel salit adong Pedro Mre marata Frans Delay. Tiga roba kam subdra kabli rang armadaliang at motargidra cherom tamangil. Amna mosmer mong lamotrok la kamlilel morngia Friday May 1st, 2026. Aldi morngira Palau Funeral Home in Chapel ngangat kibrairay. Yauriu rasuel beng tawdal marablu limang rang rar di mamadakla. Tiang adi kamaldi lawang gila aldado. Malway set tiga roba kam subdra radra kabli rang armadaliang. Mabal sabi del mga subira Agustino Balailes maodar Adelina Balailes. Ertial kamaldi aldado ra cherom tamangil. Omal masulang yarubak kal Dios rol mamlamakal tanga tridroguy. Sain at pos malwat tali. Tia osisul subra kodal lol top dringa ruigang kion isal ngiro ongor isaksualadab nginatalbadal St. Andres mangira umrang Agustino Balailes el girel amlemre drepkais amrung sa el ardai trir SBA cherom tamangil. Tial el sanga makamaldil el dadu el mlamatrok kul morngira Palau Funeral Home ragotal gapsingil el along aim el buila May 1, 2026 long aim luriol Friday. Balbay segim subra rogulo ngal matulungal gra umrang makabli ngim kawadro orior babal da mayol da momedida se main drang seud el mangiam as el dirau ade Balailes ertiaru lebong el sungulang algel madi busra dronglet maongal gra umrang agim subra ebir abong Joyce Isal Sali eolingit mo subra tulungal gra sa adui ardel song rangal gila mlengilo teli ngang sei marangal gila ebir abong Adelina Isal marangal gila sa Raimul musubda marangal gila yol Sau Samuel, marangal gila Mitsko Franz, marangal gila Husigo Heinrich, malakas pusub del maim na kaing sew. Kidirigal musub arangal gila atmur ngitong, arangal gila mle Clay Lomisang, arangal gila mle bidir abong sa adoy asanuma, arangal gila tangrang ngiratyo, marangal gila Lucas ngiraroy, arangal gila Bares Arbadul, arangal gila mle abong miner nginas adoy, rangal gila ngirabiyang Albert nginas adoy, rangal gila mle Lapsis Santos nginas adoy, rangal gila Bertang nginas adoy, rangal gila mle Erdaspa la Hindenburg nginas adoy, maebil Martayaad, palkas pusub de may nakaingisew. Agidiri kalmsub rangal gila Risong ngitong, rangal gila mle Abong Eloth, rangal gila Osisang Rul, rangal gila Rayong, rangal gila Ngiryo Rul, rangal gila Klolubak Rul, marangal gila Marcel Rul, mangkas pusub de may nakaingisew Telsang. Agidiri kalmsud rangal gila tali emi wamad maongal karakardeu magim sud rangal gila dirauregda rangal gila mangsbu rangal gilateur rangal gila mleruigang ngira bersoe rangal gila tatoy rangal gila dong rangal gila ibarsa marangal gila karingel mungkas pusud de may nakaingiseur telsang agidiri kalmsud rangal karongor magim sud rangal gila mle ibirairong ilabrang swaladaw rangal gila dililong rangal gila wasisang maralbang chowas wasisang mosub darbe kalngal marata drairung mairei emim da kaing seu agidram sub dra ongal grayeti magim sub dra ngal gelam ner abong isimang ramoni gamar bebirangau marangal giu mem da kaing seu telsang agidram sub dra bebira maru lelam ner abong saminos bal magim sub dra ngal gralmi rangal gela alsaw sabal rangal gela tolngoloy at modrang rangal gela karay olo rangal gela meltel rangal gela katosang rimir rangal gela diraingas masayos rangal gila ongklung la, rangal gila ngilar saul, marangal gila mitsko ngir omlay, pagkas pusub de may nakaing sir telsang. Tikaruba ka diri kalmsub dra akabli lalgim kawadra pabaldaw, orior mayol daw, at mamoyti talsang may nakaing sew. Magim sudra orior, agim sudra bibdul mabilong rabla raidid, ngaralong agim sudra ngira ureg madira ureg, ngarara agim sudra esbera ibdaang, iwal agim sudra ngira iderbay masasingi arurang, rabla raiderbay, iragim sobra ilapsis rablaras mongsong ngayaw ragim sobra urbalaw Lorenzo Edward madil balaw rablar olagiblay ma kamam rubak loltov der tial subdak malolngit rarbek longal matrungal kar umrang malameim da kangi seur terul bang sungul ngal esbay cherom tamgil mabigusra rongolet mabal sel tial masangam lamotrok morngira May 1st 2026 el Friday al di morngira Palau Funeral Home ko malmsulang ya rubak kal Dios sul mol malamakal tangatri drogoy sain na ngira umrang Agustino Balailes malungil sil sel morgi del qawad fi qawad ngay tukobet sel sudra trungal qararisong rakablir umrang raungil blue ramal kayok state kumamal nga tulungal kamring asuli war mered rakablir umrang emos misi as padam lobang kamiu emo olingit darbatok kal qawad rablur belaw logi wabil tigareng rakleng sew el mongo sugi der tiak malabrao del sungul el girel angel targid radar itrir el cherom SBA tamangil almla moqdong rubak kal Dios el maragamang lulungullo malwaiset ya maltokobet sel sub de loltob denia Valentino ngirigiklang teruo chogay Felix ngiraingas Katin Balailes Edwin chogay de bedebo klolubak Chani Tudong Chan tamangil Angelinorium de Ismail Akon Stalin Bay, Ray Ongino, Mark Ramali, Swingley Akwon, Jimmy Balailes, Talal Balailes, Junior Malat Tamangil, Hoyt Balailes, Jones Tamangil, Arturo Maling el Morgamio Armasil, Marangalgel at Lungal Kararisong, Rakablir Umrang ek malorngit tanges Romul Girel Atargit, Radaray Tril Cherom Esbeit Tamangil, el Mlamogdong Rarubak Dios el Moramangal Lungul. Tadrigan Maltovet Selsud el Moratrungal Karatmur, Rakablira Umrang, Ramal Gayo, Agik malorngit wanges Romeo Ergirel Telbula. Tiak mal dirigal Tokobet Selsud el Moramor Ete, Matias Erbay, Rangar Along State, Agik malorngit wanges Rokaul Girel Telbula. Malawaise ang alsuim amoraba bilingel akablir umrang ramal gayo kay modarsel morateb raudud. Tel gamaldil el do amorngira May 1st, 2026, Friday at 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Ra funeral home rangat kibrayray. Emotaw del morablil raulimang ngarara del telgib el morados ngalela rois el ngarait ilabtil raulimang ngarat state. Komal masulang sain Valentino girigiklang teruotcho kay Felix ngiraingas makatin blaliles. Tia subdrol top dernya adal bar amrap Felix Okabe, tuler amrap Chan Tamangil, Mau Erbelau, Gregorio Ngiray Lamsang. El girela kamaldin maldadur at Chirom Tamangil. Masil sarab asang am lamotrok el morngira May 1st, 2026, el Friday di morngira funeral home. Malaway segim subdrol kamil at mamin mautangan loitita al sangmiyo may al mangi adil raw, adil inabalailes at tiyan mo mungulbong al sulang aligel. Mangayang lagim subdrol aro el mi ermokt margup, maobil ba al Mary Osima, mo subdrol adad e may nakainsew. Maulimang agim subdral Augustino Blailes, Madirao Adelina Blailes, Mosubdar Adad Marangalga. Gaklaw at espada larangalgela omlay, Ra Adel Baratong at Yosiu Gisungino, Mosubdar Rangalgela Yosteru, Yosiharu, Yatsio Masisuka. Rangalgela Pukuro Ayungala, Kadoy Mresbang, Ma ang Tubray Adriano, Mukaspasudalo at. Rangalgela del Tang Radirang Armatangir, Tomasara Sengel, Mosubdar Rangalga. Rangalgela Ngilay Lamsang Rasus, Ma Marcianam, Kaspasudalo Ngalga. Rangalgela Ngaldeir Arabu Celestino Malsol, Skiukla Optulia Malsol, Masum Averoninga Malsol, Mosub dar Bebir Miu Marangalga. Rangalgela Misao Subris, Ratcoil Dulei Subris, Mateo Dosia Cuarte, Mosub dar Bebir Miu Marangalga. Yatobet Spadama Marangalgela Nesriukla, el Toriang de Bangir, Mamahensia Ingas, Malio de Bangir, Spadatri Rangalgela Bultadaba, Mangira Malalba, Embeim de Almingadir Raur, Telulbon Sungulangalgela, Chirom Temangil. O si ulsud ramaldi la marangalgila bleso, rangalgila kadiasang, marangalgila blesum, Malilt Manuel, Maim da alim da kain sir terbula. Agidri ramsud rangalgila mrep, somra alit adong Pedro mrep, mami haina siro, mosub da bibir ngamiu Maim da alim. Ongingil tial sub de ngakala del bara mrab, am sub da kawal di rabang, pero ni kasangpaw, mosub da bibir ngamiu marangalgiu Maim da alim da kain sir terbula. Alangarngar adamam lo dihan mtong clear tial sub de agimral ayamare musubes Maim da alminga targid la dirrao adelina blailes tial mamungulbong el sungul angalgel etrigel modi al sabil me ahmalingil basul edi daglat krang lungu sain adel baramrap Felix Okabe balungil sil sen morgomul togol adamam rab luadr belau tiamal togobet se sub del top de ngada isagrera ulimang al gatin blailes adel baramrap Felix Okabe ngirao Harry Fritz ngiray matoyu Severino Kiasang Lawrence Gatwangang, Stalin Bay, Emery Wenti, Matulay Ramrab, Chantamangil, Almor Mul Gawad, Raklay nga Seura Albul, Motargid, Rataray Tril, Chirom Asbay Tamangil, Alangila Dirao, Adelina Valailes, Amna Mogdong, Rubakal Dios, Almoragamang Lulungul, Agyo Marang Mong Malbatong Alsang, Maalbu, Ravloader Belau, Endiklaw Marang Argida, Raungil Surang, Among Usugid, El Mosabed, El Kang Seura, Tarel Besud, Albul. Balwaise tia maltogobet sel subder mangirairung isak swaladaw agyolingit mo subder bek dadra qabli irairung rawlimang emem na kaing sir terbulo tia diregan maltogobet sel subder mora madang bukot tami isang ramang South Junior mo subder bibir ngaw emem na kaing sir terbulo tia diregan maltogobet sel subder morang ngila former governor Augusto ngiram kati ikmalon ngitra delegat elender ngiram kati mo subder bibir ngaw emem na kaing sir terbulo tia diregan maltogobet sel subder mora qabli umrang ramal gayok Ekmalon ngit rabud mabaltigareng maklaing sew, ergaon ngir ongor isak swaladab, ruigang kyon isa alma ebir abong at choy sali, mamosob dar ada de meid kaing sew terlbul. Tia dirigal mal togobet sel sub de lolngit ergaol ngirat mil ol denis ito, mosob dar ada dar qablira do ramal gayok, meid kaing sew terlbul. Tia dirigal mal togobet sel sub del morang algila rol mi sidoy, agik malol ngit anges urmiul giret terlbul. Tia dirigal mal togobet se sub del morabli tangyo it singeru mabalang ulang wong mo sub dar bibir kamiu emem da kaing seur terbulo Tiadrigan maltokobet silsudal marar baal tagong irmogur, mosudra adad marbebirigi de may mga insir telbula. Tiak maltokobet silsudal marangiragid Robert ngirablagu, mosudra adad de may mga insir telbula. Tiadrigan maltokobet silsudal marangalgila yugi weyano, eolngitra daktoriano mosudra bebirgao emay, imtaka insir telbula. Tiadrigan maltokobet silsudal maratrungal karaminirang arangesar, makaon misa Antonio Bell sa mangiro oidem asam masang, makaswal Florencio Adalbay gyol ngitra kamium spadat at posmalwatale mobile sa virar at ang armadaliang alming usuwe vertel bula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal morangal gilat chokay makaul obak rusong mosudra virgaw emi makaing vertel bula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal morangal gilat modrang makaul tinat modrang mosudra virgaw marangal giu emi makaing vertel bula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal morangal gilarium da makaul veronicarium ngiraybay mosudra virgaw marangal giu emi makaing vertel bula. Dirigal maltokobet sa sudal marangal karamangir sandario makal Teodosia mosudra bebirgaw emi makaing vertel bula. Dirigal tokobet sa sudal mara Francis Casquio mosudra adad emi makaing vertel bula. Dirigal maral tokobet sa sudal mara Ovilba Almeri Osima agyon ngitang isurgaw mosudra bebirgaw maradad emi makaing vertel bula. Dirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara Mamang Clio Yuri mosudra ngalge emi makaing vertel bula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara adalbara marap Felix Okabe mosudra tokol adadra kablina marap malolngit tabut mabaltigareng maklang seur kamiul giral telbula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara trungal karamli diray tirir karangel na orbalaw magolngit rangal gelabay makal Stalin bay ma Senator Siegfried Nakamura kami Northwhite giraybay mosudra bibir kamiu emi makaing seur telbula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara ngal gelaleleng balaw balayles agolngit kamiu wal giral telbula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal marangal gila dililaw, radiraw Ray Mary ewenti adalbay, madiram kati sanrang ewenti sadang, madian ewenti oldiais, masada ko ewenti smaw, ma Lawrence katabangang, ma Emery wenti, masudrangal giu marada de may nakaing seur ti albula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal marangal gila kiasang, makawal ngira matoyu Severino Ikea, masudra bebir argaw e may nakaing seur ti albula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal marangal gila ngira simra, makahol inaria mosudra bibir kamiu emi makaing seur tel albula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara adra kablira ngaraw raw limang agik malon ngitabud mabaltigareng raklaing seur kamiu gidal tel albula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara kablira itrira alab agik malon ngitabud mabaltigareng maklaing seur kamiu batokol adamam rabalwadra abelaw emi makaing seur tel albula. Tiadirigal maltokobet sa sudal mara kamiu batokol mlem dangalia Jerome esbay tamngil agik malolngi tabud mabaltigareng maklaing seur komiu emi makaing seu el olmengi adala Jerome esbay tamngil el dirao adelina Blailes. Tial kamaldili al dadu amorngina Santos Porha Funeral Home ra Friday May 1st 2026 ra 9 a.m. ilmo 12:30 p.m. Emorablil raw limang al 3 hours mga aduy emor odas ngalel aroys rablu raw limang. Kopmal masulang sain adalbaram rap Felix Okabe ngiraw Harry Fritz maday sa karel raw limang alkatin Blailes.
Tial subadal mula reng strengi adiakal spedel madiakal tigingel malub engul deswel atias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adulul top dengi e haraorngi ko mal mesulang.
Subdra maldira diramas Selina Ramon Ratura. Tia subdra maldira diramas Selina Ramon Ratura el ngalgelam leu eramdeb kiosi Ramon Carlos mamle diramas Blumel Ramon. Tialgamaldi lamoringi Palau Funeral Home rather stale April 30, 2026 ra 9 a.m. elmo 12 p.m. utuab del mor omrael el mor omlak karangayawra. Matial sub dalol tob del ngaw eramdeb Warren Fukuichi maadises Takla Smith may sangbuy Gaylin Blau maomsip sa Lori Blau el mor adgaw rababel daw mayol dabel mo may madaalim edray nga severtial albula. Abadangel ang galtargid amotuab dramor gara 6:30 a.m. el Mora Sacred Heart Church. Uriw ramisang ang mga maldira Palau Funeral Home el mo 12:30 p.m. utuab del Mora Fiseris Dak Mora Ngayawra. Kardel Rangayawra ang mokloy rablila u Ermas Carlos Ramon mga tial dirmas el duy ang mo urolgul. Uriw ra omlakla Yamlil omray lan mutal motuab dara 3 p.m. el mer orior. Magi olngit mesubdergidel tagawad, madagaw gablil, madagas pasub de edolngit rabebi regid, marangalged, ebodgay nga sewertial albul. Angiwal lagi olngit ra ngir nga sa junior rulugda, madil sa ungil rungul irung lakobong, madira matarang takako rulugd, mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay madakay nga sewer tial albul. Ya orior, agi direklol ngitra rangalge lamle mangalwuid italbang luwi, marangalgela kator, raw alyaw Irene Francisco, mamosubdar bebi rigid, marangalged emay madakay nga sew. Ato kubets, amora ngikleb Alfonso Kumangay, madiray galaw Lali Gibbons, mamosubdar bebi rigid, emay madesat yalulbong lal sangulang galtargid. Ablilyaw agi olngitra idere Che Okada, maobirir Chulita Balibay, mamadra alilay Larry Ngiramuay, mamosubdar adad marangalged, emay madakaswes, edray nga sewer tialkmal lobrao dal sangud. Agi olngitra Arbadul Augustin Masablu, maadalbay Jose Ise, maobaadraw alyaw Margar Ichiro, masepin Yu Ngiraboy, mamosubdar adad marangal nga emay madaalim ertial sangud. Agi olngitra Uel Magdiw Ignacio Santiago, Mahilaria Tomei, madirang armadalyang katan ti malwat, mamosubdar adad emay madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agi direkel mga lera Alphonse Ngiragev, mabilung Masya Ngiragev, ongklungla, mamosubdar bebi rigid, marangalged emay madakay nga sew. Agi direkel masubdra Francis Mayar, maalen Ramlig, ma-Henry Yosiwo, maoboo Linda Mayar Avachi, Madelor Yosiwo, mamosubdar bebi rigid, emay madakay nga sew. Agi direkel kmalolngitra Manu Takami, Mateofanes Isamu, mamosubdar bebi rigid marangalged, emay madakay nga sew almasatyal kmalobradal sungud. Angayaw ragik malolngitra Obak Andres Uerbalaw, matalobak Orak Yamada, maebil Inaria Agitaya, mamosubdar adad marangalged, emay madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agi direkel kmalolngitra Dib Angel Sali, maruot kyuid Susuko Sali, mamosubdar adad marangalged, emay madakay nga sewer tial kmalobradal sungulanggal targid elmerolang. Agi olngitra Isal William Tati Alfred, Machuli Chiro, mamosubdar adad marangalged, emay madakay nga sew. Agi direkel kmalolngitra Benito Orengs, mamosubdar bebi rigid marangalged, emay madesat yalulbong lal sungulang galtargid. Agi direkel kmalolngitra Adamseb Jesus Setsuo, mamosubdra Obaad Silvia Castol Jesus, emay madakay nga sew. Agi kmalolngitra Mamang Diramatur Teodora Setsuo, ma Evang Hirosak, mamosubdar bebi rigid marangalged, emay madaalim edray nga sew. Agi direkololngitra Yaad Arca Rafael, mawadalad Dayan Rafael, Marechina Subris, mamosubdar bebi rigid marangalged, emay madakay nga sew. Agi direkel mga leel ra Immaculada Eang, Magayla Evalisto Abraham, mamosubdar ngalged, emay madakay nga sew. Yakmal tukubet subda, amora dirbalaw Beatrice Pedro Miller, kimolturgargaw elmeyar ngalgem ra Bibul Julio Kasuo, Maedita Kasuo, Macrace o Erung, marangalge lamle Omikbil Elma Oitrong, Mawilawong, Maolgaril Kasuo, Masyone Isaal, Magimgay nga sew. Yasungsol, agik malolngitra Nurab Nicolas Santiago, mamosubdar adad marangalged, emay madaalim, edgay nga sew ertialulbong ranggal lo adad. Klamatela subdaw ul, endiak lobas ang klederokuy, mamosubes, ya omdedaes, emay madakaswes, edgay nga sew. Yakuklo lakal sabeed, edidagalat karang lungu. Tiamles padela kamaldi lera diramas Selina Ramon Ratur, el Moringira Palau Funeral Home ra Thursday el April 30, 2026. Amlil omrael el mor omlak la motob rafiseris ra 12:30 p.m. A Oliviu lan mutelmer orior ratalyal sils. Kompmal masulang ya Dios lo maknaltangat elo makray regidrokuy el diblo oil. Signed, Ueramadeb Warren Fukuichi. Subdragamaldil. Tia subdragamaldil loltobdringia Ermas Carlos Ramon, mau eldeseng Vance Policarp, mau erasomel Fustino Robert, el morar adamamel nga rababaldab orior mayoldabel mo, adiramas Selina Ramon el ngelgelamle Ueramdev Kyosi Ramon, Mamle Diramas Ablumel Ramon, Amlos Meerseratri Matal Gabsingil Ongewalbuil, Ra 2026. April 11, 2026. Amlamotorok Lamal Dilel, El Morngira Odel Gabsingil Ongewalbuil, El Ongewalurior, Thursday, April 30, 2026. Yakmal Dilel Adiramas Selina Ramon, Adi Morngira Funeral Home, El Ngarangat Kiv, Ayray. Sel Tutaw, Ra Odel Gabsingil Ongewalbuil, Yapadingel Atuab Ramor, Ra Ewi del Clock, El Mora Iglesia Ra Aydirungula Jesus, El Sacred Heart Church, Iglesia Ra Katolik, Mga Ramisang. Yabol mereng ramisang, yapadingil adiramas Selina Ramon, Almut El Mora Funeral Home, mga maldil, Ra al Clog Ra Tutaw, El Motrui Matal Clog Matedob, Etuab Ra Funeral Home, Ramal Maltal 12 p.m., El Mora Fiseris, Emal Maltal Morngayaura. A omra El Morngayaura, Dimong El Mut Ra Talyal Sils, Ndiaka Alung Lamang Alyokle. Magi olngit na masubdar kamil daw adal Mamosubdar baby rigi the marangal nga emay madray nga sewer tial kamaldile la targi dra diramas Selina Ramon. Malway se agi olngit tem subdra idare maobirir ragablira luil mamosubdar dad marangal ga. Edire kalosisul sub da morangal gela ngirapadaal ay taro mamosubdar dad marangal giw tial albu le may madray nga sew. Edire kalosisul sub da morangal gela swala blayo madib Radeliget Nay sa Swalablay, Mavaktor Sinton Swalablay, Mamosubdar Dada Marangalgi, Wertial Albu, Emay Madakay nga sew. Edira kalosisil sub, Damura Rangalgelay Tong, Rawadal Adro Salin Lamresabang, Mamosubdar Rangalgem, Emay Madakay nga sew. Marangalgela Diminrang, Radirat Matpab Sadari Afrit, Mamosubdar Dada Marangalaga, Emay Madakay nga sew, Wertial Albu. O sisil sub, Amura Obakal Ol, Patros Basilio, Madil Taab Carmen Gib, Ragabli Rangataab, Mamosub Dad Marangal, Emay Madray nga sew. O sisiwet to kubet sub, Daloltob niya Uermas Carlos Ramon, El Morar Daladamal, Ramle Ueramdev Kyosi Ramon, Rablaira Oragiblay, Rangayaura, Mamosub Dad Marangal, Emay Mamngasugak, Ertial mo mungulubong El Sungula Oda, Radiramas Selina Ramon. O sisil sub, daloltob niya Uermas Carlos Ramon, El Moradib Angel Sali, Maruot Cuid Adelina Sisuk Sali, Ragabli Ratmiw, Ragamaldile Latargi Radiramas Selina Ramon, Mamosub Dad Marangal, Emay Madray nga sew. O sisil sub, Damuragabli Ra Ngar Albuob, Mau Elvig Sotionatan Natus Misa, Mawadal ad Feliciana Misa, Mamosubdar adad marangal, Emay madray nga sewer tial albula. O sisiul subda murakabli ra ngar ulbalu, Muray saal William Tati Alfred, Mauer mangakla Milayna Ngimak Trancharda, Mamosubdar adad marangal, Emay madray nga sewer tial albula. Edirekal mura omuiga tangirkoy sadawo, Mau Elius, Rakabli rangayu, Mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay madray nga sewer tial albula. Yato kubet sel spadela Uermas Carlos Ramon, Amora Uergamul Noro Naruo, Madirgamul Clara Michael, Mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay madray nga sew tial gamaldile latargi Radiramas Selina Ramon. Yato kubet sel spadela Uermas Carlos Ramon, Amora Ueramadeb Warren Fukoichi, may sangabuy Gaylin Blau, Mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay mamngasuma mertial albula. Ya o sisiul subda murakabli lara o adarue, Marangul Stacy Augustin, Marugubay Al-Asel Kasuwo, Mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay madray nga sew. Edirekal tokubet sel masubdra kabli lara ngudla, Ranguruel Isidoro Tagisang, Matalob at Tongo Gates, Mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay madray nga sew. Ya o sisiwet to kubet sel spadela Uerasom la Fustino Robert, El Morat Kaltngul Rabay Uduy, Mat Ngasik Risong Saito, Mamosubdar adad marangal garakablirat amding, Emay madray nga sewed aalim mertial albula. To kubet sel spadela Uermas Carlos Ramon, Amora Diratublay Debir Mangsaw, Mamosubdar ngalgem, Emay madray nga sewed tial albula. Ya o sisiwel subda, Amorar ngalgela Teresang Faustino, Ramle Directory Teodosia Faustino Blailes, Manatalia Faustino, Marangal Gelaben Roberto, Mamosubdar Ada Marangal Emay Madray nga Sewertial Albul. Ya Osisiulsub da Morangal Gelam Leu Elsias, Ngaskabay Gabriel, Mamosubdar Ada Marangal Emay Madray nga Sewertial Albul. Edirekal Masubdar Ngalgela Angelina Antonio, Ramariano Antonio, Maromana Antonio, Mamarcia Antonio, Mamosubdar Adad Marangal, Emay Madray nga Sewertial Albul. O sisilsub the Loltobdar nga Ermas Carlos Ramon, El Morangal Gelamle Ermas Kasol, Mamay Mamnga Suka, Kartial mo mungulbong lal sungula odak, Radhi Ramas Selina Ramon. O sisiw ito kubetsil spedela Ermas Carlos Ramon, Amorangal Gelamle Ermas Kalbasang, Radeliget Mario Culibert, Maricina Ryoko Ngirutang, Ma-Faith Sorda, Ma-Leon Culibert, Ma-Helena Culibert, Mamosubdar Adad Marangal, Emay Madray nga Sewertial Albul. Tiriel Adama, Maldim Lakal Madungang Clear, Adekalbol Maknita Rendir, Lengklam nga Tela Subdaul. Abol Sab Amiw, Emay Madray nga Sew, Yabol Diakal Sab Amiw, Elmay, Edidakalat Karang Lungu. Aruba kal Dios lo maknaltangat tarigida rokoy. Signed the Ermas Carlos Ramon, u Eldeseng Vance Policarp.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul desuel atias Broadcasting Company, tiang aspedirar adlul top deringi e haraorngi, koh mal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM, Stay tuned for Fox News.
He wrote a manifesto. I'm Carmen Roberts, Fox News. Federal officials say the man accused of opening fire at the White House Correspondents' Dinner last night wrote that he planned to target the Trump officials. And Fox's Alex Hogan has more from Washington.
Law enforcement are going over this manifesto, and the president told Fox that investigators are learning more about a potential motive.
The guy is a sick guy. When you read his manifesto, he hates Christians. That's one thing for sure. He hates Christians, a hatred. And I think his sister or his brother actually was complaining about it. You know, they were even complaining to law enforcement.
Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche says the 31-year-old traveled to D.C. from California by train. He checked into the hotel the day before the White House Correspondents' Dinner with 2 firearms and knives.
Despite the shooting, Buckingham Palace says King Charles and Queen Camilla's state visit to the U.S. will go ahead as planned. The palace issued a statement a short time ago saying the decision had been made after discussions on both sides of the Atlantic through the day, and it's understood there will be some minor adjustments to some of the engagements because of security concerns. A celebration of a bicycle event in Bloomington, Indiana turned into a mass shooting early this morning. 4 women and a teenage girl were shot and injured.
Police department officers were stationed in the 400 block of East Kirkwood, monitoring a large crowd that had gathered in the street. Officers heard what they believed to be multiple gunshots, and the crowd began scattering. Officers immediately converged on the area and located multiple wounded individuals.
Police Chief Mike Dieckhoff says they believe that the fight broke out between 2 women and then 2 people started firing. Police are still looking for the shooters. No word on the condition of those injured, but they say that they are not Indiana University students. America's listening to Fox News. The congressional redistricting battle in Florida, where the state legislature begins a special session to debate a new map that could help Republicans, Fox's Evan Brown reports.
A special legislative session begins Tuesday in Florida for the purpose of adopting new congressional districts for the state. It's part of a brewing battle between Republicans and Democrats to use geography and voter registration data to craft congressional district boundaries to ensure likely wins by a given party. Democratic-led Virginia just voted to allow its lawmakers to craft a new map that could swing their way. Some Republican legislators in Florida and Governor Ron DeSantis think they can do the same to benefit the GOP. Florida has 28 congressional districts. 20 of them are currently represented by Republicans. In Miami, Evan Brown, Fox News.
After 8 weeks of war between the U.S. and Iran, oil shortages persist and gas prices remain high.
On average, Americans are paying $4.14 for a gallon of regular gasoline. That's according to independent oil analyst Trilby Lundberg, who says gas prices are down 8 cents from 2 weeks ago, but
from pre-war, it is up $1.12, and it's up 88 cents from 1 year ago.
Another factor bound to influence prices, higher demand for gasoline as the summer driving season approaches.
For now, I think it's more likely prices will rise, maybe substantially.
There have been global efforts to steady prices, but Lundberg says they haven't done much. Pam Huso, Fox News.
There's a new king at the box office.
I'm just getting started.
Michael, a biopic from Lionsgate about the king of pop, Michael Jackson, debuted at #1 with $97 million domestically, and it's the best start of all time for a biopic. I'm Carmen Roberts, and this is Fox News.